Hi, this is Andrew for Geek News Central, and on the sofa this afternoon we have a vacuum cleaner from Shark. This time it's the Shark Corded Stick with anti-hair wrap. This is a new technology to try and stop hair wrapping around the rollers of the vacuum cleaner, which can be a perennial problem. Some of you might have looked at my other video for the IC160. It's Shark's battery-powered version or cordless version, and if you remember, you might have seen the video. There was very much a problem with hair getting wrapped around here, which you have to cut away on a regular basis. It's certainly not a problem particular to Shark. All vacuum cleaners with rollers have this issue. So this is Shark's attempt to try and get away from the annoyance of having to do this on a fairly regular basis. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. Now this is the HZ400 UKT version, if I've managed to get that right. I'll check in a minute. The UK simply means it's the UK version, and the T means that this is the, if you like, the pet variant. So it comes with an extra tool for pet hairs. So we've got a quick start guide that tells us how to get started. So first out of the box we have the bottom unit, which will be the bit that goes, obviously the bit that goes on the floor. And I don't exactly know how this new technology works, but we can begin to see some of the things here. Hopefully I don't chop my fingers off with this, but okay. So we've got some of the tools that come with it. We've got a crevice tool. We've got this bit, presumably this is going to be one of the bits that clips onto the vacuum cleaner onto one of the upright pieces, so that you can keep all your tools handy, I would imagine. Though I have been wrong about these things before. And I'm pretty sure that this is the pet tool, the pet hair tool. Okay. Hopefully you can see that. And then we've got one of the kind of little dusting style brushes as well. I find they're really good for doing fireplaces. Okay, so we've got the upright piece, and I think I can be reasonably confident that this piece here is going to plug into that piece there. Oh right, did you see it? I don't know if you saw that. As you make the vacuum cleaner come up into the upright position, the little feet here pop out the back, presumably to give it a bit of extra stability. But then if you're trying to get underneath the sofa, they retract a wee bit. You can't really see it. Sorry, let me do that up here. So the feet come out, but if you're trying to get underneath the sofa, you put it back and you can go underneath with less obstructions. Let's put this back up here. And I think finally in the box we've got the main power unit. So this is a corded one, so you're going to have to plug it into the mains. It's not battery powered, but it does come with a 10-meter long cable, which should get round the houses, or get around the house nicely. I'll just leave that bundled up there, and I'm going to guess that this clips on here. You probably can't see it. Let's just bring it down here. Clips on here like that. Now that's a pretty tall cleaner, all told. There's no, as you can see here, there's no bag with this kind of cleaner, or with Shark's HZ400. Uses the air circulation to get the the dust into this bit here, and if it's like any other vacuum or Shark vacuum, yes, you've got a dust cap release, takes this away. You can go out into the dustbin and open the little flippies and all the dust comes out, and I imagine you can do it from both the top and the bottom. Looks like there's a reasonable amount of capacity in there, and just whilst we're here, you can take it, you've got filters and stuff in here, because as I said, this is the pet version, so I'd certainly expect it to be good at getting these are the ones that need to give it usually a bit of a push just to get it to clip back in. That's it. Okay, so what other features are immediately noticeable? Well, you've got a wrap thing here with a quick release, so we've got to put the cable around there. As I said, this does have this anti-hair wrap technology, which is supposed to stop the hair wrap happening. And I think, I'm just guessing here, but I think this bit here might come away. So there's a button here that says pull down. Let's see if I can figure this out. So that just takes, oh, right, hold on. That's it. Okay, interesting. So I don't think I've quite got this all figured out. This is obviously, I've just taken this out of the box. Let's have a quick look at the instructions. But from some of the pictures, it looks like you can detach the whole lot from this, and then you can kind of use the, that's, right, okay, we're with it. So now we push this down, and you can use this, presumably with one of the crevice tools, to get into those nooks and crannies. Very clever, very clever. See, I don't need to read the instructions. I do, but you get the idea. That's neat. And everything just clicks back in as you'd expect. Well, look, this bit of the section of it's primarily been an unboxing video. Just to fill you in on price, the RRP, the list price, is just a pound under £300, so it's £2.99. It's currently on sale at Shark's website, so that's sharkclean.eu, sharkclean.eu, for £50 off, coming in at £249. So it's obviously not a cheap vacuum cleaner, but you know, my experience with Shark is that generally they're a good quality product. Certainly my experience with the cordless IC160 bore that out. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this part of the review up for now. This is the HZ400 UKT. This bit's primarily been the unboxing. I'll be using the vacuum cleaner over the next few weeks, and once we've done some vacuuming and I've got some footage of the vacuuming, we'll put it all together into a longer review. This is Andrew for Geek News Central. Thanks very much.